I have been depositing $1 a day every day into Aave and my traditional bank account to see where I can save more money over 1 year. And the results have been pretty interesting. Let me show you. If you're new to this series, please check out part 1. My bank currently offers 0.3% interest rate in my high interest savings account. So if I leave $1,000 in my bank account, at the end of the year, I'll earn $3. If I deposit my money on chain, not only will I get more competitive rates, I can also watch money earn yield in real time. That is the power of an internet native open finance protocol like Aave. Let's take a look at how my $30 from month 1 is doing. So my balance since I last deposited $30 has now grown to $30.07. If I go to my address on a block explorer like Etherscan, I can go click into my Aave base USDC balance, which represents the balance that I have deposited into Aave. And you'll see there's a token amount representing my principal plus yield. If I refresh this page, that yield balance will update, showing you how I'm earning in real time transparently. Neat, huh? Now, if I go to my traditional bank account, my balance still shows $30. Opaque black box. Saving on the internet is a whole lot more transparent, a whole lot more open, and a whole lot more fun, especially when you use decentralized finance protocols like Aave. I'm going to deposit another $30 into Aave and also my traditional bank account, and we'll see how things compound over the following month. See you in part 3. Peace.